Hi there, and welcome to this discussion about the Disrupt Compensation Plan. My name's Andy Bennis, and I thought it'd be a good idea just to take a couple minutes and explain what is so special and unique about the Disrupt Compensation Plan and why it may or may not be exactly what you're looking for in terms of your business opportunity. So before you take a look at the compensation guide and the compensation summary chart that are both included on this page, I wanted to summarize for you a few features. And there's three things I want to look very closely at. Feature number one, Disrupt has gone out of our way to make sure that we are pushing more money further down into the lower ranks, okay, than most plans. Why is that? Very simply, we believe in letting the little guy eat. Every sales-based organization is going to have its top earners, okay? Its top producers. That's great. We want multi-million dollar earners at Disrupt. But too often it comes at the expense of the new or just entering distributors that are just trying to get off the ground and make some money to pay their bills, right? And that's about 99% of the folks most of the time. And so we believe in structuring a plan in the way that rewards everybody for their efforts fairly. So that's number one. Disrupt pays more money to the lower ranks than just about anybody in the industry, and that's very deliberate. Secondly, we did not choose an off-the-shelf compensation plan that already exists in 20 other companies. We surveyed multiple types of compensation plans. We took the best features from a select group of those compensation plans and we blended them into something totally unique. What do I mean? Some organizations reward you for building wide, for bringing in tons of your own customers and distributors, immediately putting them to your front line, okay? And that is the way to maximize their comp plans. In other companies, it's all about finding 2 or 3 business partners, you know about the binary and the trinary, you know, and so on plans that want you to take a handful of folks and put them on your front line, coach them and teach them how to build their own teams and start duplicating in these organized structures that are based on generations and on structures regardless of whether you put them on your team or somebody from your upline placed them into your sales organization. All right? Because in some companies, that's how you maximize the comp plan. At Disrupt, our comp plan features both. Okay? You can make money by going wide. You can make money by going deep. You can make money by enrolling tons of customers and distributors onto your own sales team, or you can make money by benefiting from the enrollments of other folks who place them into your sales organization. And so as you read through the compensation guide and you read about the Global Override Commission and the Generational Commission, you're going to see that it's a blend of different types. So you cannot pigeonhole this compensation plan as being unilevel, binary, there is no one category. That's the second unique item. And the third is we have structured a very specific way for all teams to benefit from the entire company's success. What do I mean by that? There are overrides set aside specifically to benefit distributors when the entire company does well. So a fairly large portion, okay, again relative to industry standards, we've taken a large percentage of the company's overall worldwide volume and reserved that to pay out through the Global Override Commission. What's different about Disrupt? That's not reserved for the top 3 or 5 ranks. That's reserved for everybody who's qualified and part of the compensation plans and part of that bonus at all levels. So that's great news. So why do we do this? Again, we want this to be something that can be sustained for folks who are just getting started and just need a few $100s a month for fun money or to pay a few bills, and those who want to turn it into a lifelong career and a new lifestyle. The compensation plan allows both. So thanks for listening, thanks for watching. I encourage you now to go look up the compensation guide as well as the compensation plan summary, and you'll notice that there are additional unique features like no line limits or line requirements, leg requirements. Okay? We are governed by leg maximums, the maximum percentage that can come from one leg, but we don't dictate a specific number of legs to maximize the plan. That's up to you. So we've allowed that flexibility for folks who are used to different types, and if you've never been in direct sales and you have no experience with these different types of compensation plans, then you just have to take my word for it. It is a very unique blend of all of those features. So again, thanks for stopping by, thanks for watching, good luck to you.
Thanks for watching. Click the link below to visit our website.